In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Spotify can't play this right now error on web browser. Let's get started. If you're trying to play music through Spotify in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari or any other web browser and you keep seeing the message, can't play this right now, don't worry. First thing you should know is that this issue is currently affecting many Spotify users. If you visit official community page of Spotify and check the ongoing issues section, you'll find that Spotify has already acknowledged the problem. According to the reports, many users are experiencing the can't play this right now error on the web player, where songs either refuse to play or skip automatically without any audio while the desktop application may continue working normally. Spotify has confirmed that its team is investigating the issue and collecting more information from affected users. You can also verify whether this is a widespread problem by checking websites like Town Detector. Launch your preferred browser, type in Spotify server status, then navigate to the website Town Detector. If you notice a large spike in user reports, it usually means Spotify is experiencing server-side issues rather than a problem with the device. You can also visit Spotify's official Act Support page where they frequently post updates about ongoing outages and playback problems. If Spotify servers are having issues, there is not much you can do except wait for the company to resolve the problem. While waiting for Spotify to fix the server issue, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. If you are using Google Chrome, click on three dots, select the option Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. Now head over to the option View Permission. Now here search for the website spotify.com. Once it appears, click on the trash icon and confirm the deletion. Next thing you want to do is check the browser extension. Navigate to this option Extensions. You will need to temporarily disable all the installed extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools or script blocking extensions. After disabling them, refresh the Spotify web player and test your music again. Sometimes browser extensions can prevent Spotify from functioning correctly. If none of these steps work, the issue is most likely on Spotify's end. Since Spotify has already acknowledged the problem and is actively investigating it, the best solution is simply to wait until their services are fully operational again. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.